In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Pocket Option to Coinbase. We'll walk through moving your funds using a cryptocurrency withdrawal from Pocket Option into your Coinbase wallet. The key to a smooth transfer is matching the exact asset and network on both sides, so we'll focus on clarity and accuracy at each step. First, get your receiving wallet address from Coinbase for the crypto you plan to withdraw. In the Coinbase app or website, open the asset you want to receive. Common choices include stablecoins like USDT or USDC, or coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Tap or click Receive, select the correct network if prompted, and copy the wallet address. If the asset requires an additional tag or memo, copy that too. Double check you've chosen the same network you'll use on Pocket Option. For example, ERC20 for Ethereum, TRC20 for Tron, or the native network for Bitcoin. Using the wrong network can result in lost funds. Now go to the Pocket Option website and sign into your account. From the main dashboard, open the Finance section. This is where you manage deposits and withdrawals. Next, choose Withdrawal. You'll see several payout options, but to send funds to Coinbase, select the cryptocurrency method. Pick the same crypto asset you prepared in Coinbase and ensure the network you choose here matches the one tied to your Coinbase address. It helps to check any displayed minimum withdrawal amounts and fees before proceeding, as these vary by asset and network. When prompted for payment details, paste the Coinbase wallet address you copied earlier. If your asset uses a memo or tag, enter it exactly as provided. Type the amount you want to withdraw, keeping an eye on minimums, fees, and your available balance. A good practice is to verify the first and last few characters of the address against what Coinbase shows, and avoid typing addresses by hand. If you're moving a large amount and you're unsure about the network, consider sending a small test first to confirm everything lands correctly. Once everything looks right, confirm the withdrawal. Pocket Option may show you a summary, request two-factor authentication, and send a confirmation email. Approve any verification prompts to start processing. After submission, your transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Timing depends on the network's congestion and the asset. You can monitor the status in your Pocket Option withdrawal history and then watch for the incoming deposit on Coinbase under the asset's recent activity. Most transfers arrive within minutes to an hour, but some networks can take longer. That's it. Your funds should now be safely in Coinbase and ready for your next move.